guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing an upcycled card. Well, it's not really the card that is upcycled, but it is actually this piece here, this front mat, because this is actually the cover piece of the wrappings of my bed linens, which I bought and which came with this picture, as it were, of the pattern of the linens. And I really like that picture, so I thought, well, it's a pity to throw that out. So I cut it to size to fit on a card, and then I embellished, well, relatively simply with some flowers here. I stamped the curls here and did some die cutting here with the leaves, and a little heart here that I stamped. It's your special dag, it says, so day in Dutch. Added some more flowers, and that's it. So I really like that effect, and of course I had to do the inside and the back side as well. So I took some colorful papers from a Studio Light paper pad that I thought matched the color theme here, so a bit of a tropical spring or summer-like color theme. And then I did some stamping, so I stamped some frames here, and I will do my writing, just, you know, put my personal message into the frames. And then of the leftover pieces that I cut from this, I die cut some stamps here to add some extra decorations, which I lifted here and there. So there's an idea for you. Just upcycle any great picture that you find or that comes into your house one way or another. I have to say this was a very sturdy piece, so not too thin, so very, very usable. So I hope you like this idea, I hope you feel inspired, and it does not have to be difficult, guys. You don't have to buy very expensive stuff all the time. Look at what I found and how beautiful that is. So there you go. Let me know what you think. Press the like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.